Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to Priscilla's Kitchen. It has been long guys, sijakuwa nikipost because of different reasons, but now I'm back. Yeah guys, as always, peel your potatoes, wash them and cut them into small pieces. As you can see guys, continue subscribing to my YouTube channel. The next step, put your potatoes in a sufuria. Add water to cover your potatoes. Boil your potatoes for at least 15 minutes and kindly avoid ignore all the noises from my son. Let's check whether the potatoes are okay. Yes, they are. We usually use a fork to poke them. Transfer them to a bowl. In my case, I'm using a plate. Mash them guys, as you can see. Kindly comment the country you are watching from. Support me by subscribing. Just hit that subscribe button down there. After mashing well, add salt, add black pepper, add paprika, 2 spoons of corn flour. I'm going also to add breadcrumbs. Then mix well. Road to 300 subscribers guys. The next step, I'm going to add mozzarella cheese, grated, as you can see. I'm so excited for today's recipe after being away for a long time, almost a week, more than a week in fact. Now I'll use my rolling stick to roll the dough like that. As I always say, all my recipes, you just have to be creative. Just be creative, nothing hard. I'm going to use, in fact, this is a toothpick lid guys. That is what I'm going to use. Don't take cooking very serious. But just do something nice. Make your shapes using anything of your choice. Share my videos, comment guys. Let's see. Wow, this is what I got. They are very nice. The next step is deep frying them. I'm going to deep fry them guys. Hope mmekuwa sawa, mmekuwa salama, mmenimiss. Thank you for those who are checking on me. Niko salama, nimerudi. Wow. Just see guys. Si zinakaa vizuri? Wow, at least the first part za kwanza ziko sawa. Sasa nikizitoa, wow. Continue enjoying each and every bit. I'm very excited guys for the result. Ta-da! Wow, guys, ona zinakaa kangumu ama mimi ndio naona vibaya? Wow. Let me taste it with you guys. Wow, ni tamu guys. See you in my next video guys. I love you.